We're at Immobiliser Fit. This is an Audi RS6 2016 Performance Edition, protected with a Halo Mini immobiliser. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, as soon as they pop it into gear, you're going to see it cut out. And we get these errors, totally normal. If they think they're smart and they're trying to do it in neutral, start the car up. As soon as they pop it into either drive or reverse, the car cuts out. They're going to be unable to drive it anywhere. We get these errors, which are totally normal when it's immobilising. You don't get these day to day. If it's you want to start the vehicle up, you get in. Before you pop it into gear, you pop your code in 1, 2, 3, 4 we have for the video. We get a flash from the hazards. We can pop it into gear and drive away. If we're taking this for a service, what we'll do, turn the ignition on. Oh, we'll just arm the system. We'll turn the ignition on, pop our code in, and we'll hold on the last press till we get 5 flashes. Keep it held. Now we've got 5 flashes. This is a normal vehicle. Whilst it's in service mode, it's going to start up, go into gear without a code. And it's just going to be a normal vehicle. When you get it back, turn the ignition on. Pop your code in, left, left, right, right, and hold. You get 1 flash, becomes a normal vehicle. We turn the vehicle off. When we open the door, the system activates, and if a thief got the key, went to pop it into gear, it's going to cut out. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.